Hi there, and welcome to the latest constellation. Crater, actually meaning cup in Latin. It's located in the southern sky, and it's not that visible. It's faint, with no stars brighter than the fourth magnitude. In fact, the brightest star has a magnitude of 3.56, as you will see. There are a few notable deep sky objects in it either. Most galaxies found in Crater are at a magnitude greater than 12, and there are no Messier objects in it. And it sits to the right of Corvus the Crow. Delta Curatoris, which is known as Labrum, is an orange giant 196 light years away. And it has an apparent magnitude of 3.56, the brightest star in the constellation. Alcaz Alpha Curatoris is 174 light years from us, and it has a visual magnitude of 4.07. It's located quite close to the galactic centre and is rich in very heavy elements. It's 80 times more luminous than the Sun if you were close by. And its traditional name is derived from Arabic, Alcaz, which means the cup. Al-Sharazif, or Beta Curatoris, is a white subgiant. Its apparent magnitude of 4.48 and is about 266 light years away from us. And Gamma Curatoris, the second brightest star, is a close binary, approximately 84 light years away. The brightest component is a white dwarf with an apparent magnitude of 4.06. So as you can see, although the stars are generally over magnitude 4, from a dark sky location, once your eyes are dark adapted, you will probably be able to make out the shape of Crater. And it does look like a cup, as you can see. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little look at one of the more obscure constellations, and speak to you next time. Take care, dark skies, stay safe. Bye for now.